Hi. So I'm going to tell you a story. My first day at work, it was in Christmas morning, and I was in an oil field, and a helicopter ride offshore into the platform. Well, it's 100 miles offshore. The helicopter ride take a long time, and I were just a southern boy, and I learned how to fly. I certainly had a helicopter ride. I mean, I can, Magnum TI, the helicopter ride. Anyway, so uh, I I was scared to death, but I needed a job. So when I got to the place, and I was people going, and I looked at me, and they're just ordinary people. They and I'm thinking, well, that's nobody special. If I can do it, they can do it. So when the coming to the helicopter, the helicopter ride said, "It's my first time. My helicopter ride offshore." I said, "Yeah, I'm scared to death." He said, "Oh, you can come with me and ride in the front." So, well, I was in the front, and also the uh, the helicopter ride. It You could see the. I mean, it was. I mean, you see the helicopter ride, and it's just guys coming down on you. But it was so cool. I had the greatest time in the helicopter ride. Um, um, Something I want to just talk about is um, sometimes you're in in you shoes on the wrong foot, you know, and I, you know, I this stroke, I am very, very slow, and I'm lack self-confidence, and there's a lot of things that I don't do. It may never again I do, but you know, I try. And I just want to say, be kind. Be kind to other people. Be good, your friends, your family. Just be kind and be nice, because we're all in this together, you know. Anyway, thank you so much. Uh, See you later.